A polynomial function pf such as f of x equals 5x to the fourth minus 4x to the third plus 3x squared plus 2x plus 1. The leading coefficient. What number is the leading coefficient, class? 5. So there's my highlighters. The leading coefficient is the number in front of the variable. So variable is like the variable x. And it's called the leading coefficient because it leads in front of the whole polynomial, right? It's kind of like the marching band leader. Now, coefficient is just the number in front. So the coefficient here would be -4, 3, 2, 1. But the leading coefficient is the one in front of the variable with the highest degree. So 5 would be the leading coefficient. Also, notice that 5 here is positive. The constant term is the one that doesn't have a variable. Put your finger on the one that doesn't have a variable. That should be the 1. Now, it actually does have a number or a variable. It really does have an x to the 0 power. Does that make sense? The degree or exponent or the power is the, so they ask you, what is the degree of the polynomial? The degree is the highest power of the polynomial. So the highest number, the smallest number there is 4. Standard form. Terms are written from the highest power to the lowest power in descend, which is basically a description of descending order. So descending order starts with D for down. The numbers keep going down. Now notice how I'm pointing to the small exponent to the top right. 4, 3, 2. This one is a 1, and this is to the 0 power. Okay, so this is written in descending order. Also, standard form, you'll notice that has no parentheses. No parentheses. Let's write that. No parentheses. These are just bullet points. And the last one, exponents, or their powers, so up here. It says all of them must be whole numbers. So you can never have like 3 halves or 1 half, like a radical sign. Can't do that. Can't be like 0.8. No decimals, no variables. So you can't have something like 2 to the x power, because that would be exponential. You can't have that. There's no fractions, and there's no negative numbers. So you should never have like 3x to the -2. Okay? So these are some basic characteristics of polynomial functions.